mean, it's perfect because it's all clean, you know.
Yeah.
It's all clean and we can see exactly what it needs. Whereas ours, I mean, if we were to take ours back, I think it'd be even worse than it looks.
It's been blasted and
Yeah.
done, and they just played up with it.
Yeah. Yes. I'll see if he's got 20.
That's
20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah, I can always send them it.
Let's transfer it to.
Yeah, it'll definitely help us out. Yeah, so basically what we're doing is, so we're taking our Triumph and we got it we paid £1 for it. So we got, there was a veteran that was willing to give us it. And so yeah, we've got the Spitfire and we just
What's it for?
Charity Mission Motorsport. And yeah, so we're going around the entire perimeter of Britain.
Yeah.
So we're starting in Skegness to Skegness, the long way around basically. Yeah. That's what it's called, the challenge, the long way around. Yeah, we're getting there with it. We've got loads of mechanical parts for it, but yeah, the main one was bodywork, and because we need both floor pans, we'd need new sills, inner and outer, we need new boot floor, new rear panel. Yeah, it'd be so much work. So this is a lot less work than ours is.
There? Yeah, come in.
Yeah. Not quite. Go that way.
Where must come back first, top.
For advertising.
Oh, okay, yeah, you'll have to.
Yeah. Thank you very much, mate.
No problem.
Take care. Yeah, we'll get in touch.
So any sponsorship you need, let us know. I'm happy to help.
Shall do, mate. I'll tell you what. If you got an email address,
yeah,
an email address for you.
Yeah, I won't give you the company one. I'll give you my one.
All right, mate. As you can see, we've picked up this new shell. It cost us £100. We collected it from Coventry from Scumbag Motors. We're not too sure what we're going to do with it yet, whether we're going to use this one or our current shell, but with both together, I'm sure we can make a good one. And we've been offered 5 Yokohama tyres by Wheelcraft in Eckington, so next video we're going to be going there and collecting some new tyres. Like, follow, subscribe. If you've got any services or parts for us, please get in touch. And if you want to donate directly to our Just Giving page, it's right here.